Alright. Please sit properly. When I call your name, do not say here or present. Instead, I want you to say the name of your crush. Okay? The name of your crush. If your crush is a celebrity or an idol, it's okay. Are you ready? For you Olympic and Mr. Sachubon? Who's Mr. Sachubon? Clark? Ha? Alina? Ha? Mr. Sahachai? Who's Mr. Sahachai? Namcham? Mr. Chayakorn Kla, right? Who's Kla? Tonam? Apipat? Rapipat? Poo, right? Who's Poo? Okay. Poo. Sarapat. Who's Sarapat? Team Sahachai. Who's Sahachai? Olympic. Where's Olympic? I think 2 points. Tang Pirawit. First, right? Who's first? First yun na. Boss. Ha? Yup Sapat. Tang, right? Tang. Where's Tang? Pam. Pirawit. Bay tời. Ba quá.